So police will be a friend, not the enemy. They will do the work of policing. We will not add all these problems we have. We will apologize to all those who are victims of police brutality. You have voted for umbrella, it didn't work. You voted for broom, it didn't work. We now want you to vote for human beings.
We will apologize to the victim of police brutality, say Peter Obi. Those born before independence should leave the political stage for young people, Peter Obi added. We will apologize to all those who are the victim of police brutality, Obi told his supporters during his campaign rally in Lagos. All those who have suffered in the hands of past and present governments, we will apologize to them. We will make sure that it will never happen again. Nigeria will be a peaceful country. According to him, the country's security agents will no longer be used for harassment. Police will not harass anybody. They will be at your care. We are going to train them on how to do policing, he promised. He promised to increase the national reserve through agriculture and stability of the currency. According to him, under Obi administration, there will be an enabling environment for business and our gas will be developed to give more money than oil. He added that his government will support the youth for entrepreneur, saying his achievement will be measurable.
Daddy and I are promising you that we will secure and unite Nigeria. We will secure and unite Nigeria. We will ensure that when we start, after some years, no Nigerian will say, I'm from the west, east, north, but we'll be proud to say, he's a Nigerian. We want Nigerians to celebrate their Nigerianness, celebrate their passport. We assure you, we are going to work hard to pull people out of poverty. We are going to work hard to ensure that our youth are employed. And the way to do it is that we will remove this country from consumption to production. People have said, how are we going to do it? This Lagos will remain the center of our finance, center of our excellence, center of our transshipment and everything. But we assure you, Nigeria have all the factor endowments to be a great country. Because we will ensure that there's the rule of law and order. We will produce enabling environment, the greater environment that will support investment in our oil and gas. Nobody will steal our oil again. Our gas should be developed where it will give us more money than oil. And above this, all the cultivated land in the north, which is our greatest physical assets, we will invest in. We will ensure that we deal with the issue of agriculture as quickly as possible. As soon as we secure the country, farmers will go back to farm. We will support them to be more productive and we will use the food inflation to drive that inflation in this country. We will ensure that the water we produce will lead to agricultural revolution, which will lead to export, and will earn more money, and our reserve will increase, and our rate of exchange will stabilize. What we are going to do is very easy. Let nobody tell you this country is a great country. When we do what we do, the youth will be employed. The youth will find jobs. Because we no longer allow people to be wealthy without enterprise. Everybody who has money here must be doing something. We will support the youth to start the MSMEs, the companies. Our promise will not be on TV. It will be physical. You will see it. It will be measurable. The enemies are no more formidable. I'm begging you, the youth, support what we are doing. This is the first time in Nigeria that the party chairman, presidential candidate, and vice presidential candidate will be people born after independence. This is the first time. If you go, they tell you, you voted for PDP, the broom. You voted for the PDP, the umbrella leaked, and put you into poverty. You voted for the broom, they swept you into poverty. When they came into office, 55 million people were absolute poverty. Today they are 95. So it has worsened. You have voted for umbrella, it didn't work. You voted for broom, it didn't work. We now want you to vote for human beings. You go and vote for mama, papa. When you vote that, if you check it, APC chairman is 75 years. PDP chairman is 72 years. He was Shagari's minister 40 years ago. Our chairman is 52 years. 20 years difference. If you check the age of three of us, the average age is 55. If you check the other one of PDP, it's over 70. The other one, we don't know their age. We are tired of this. When you vote for us, I assure you, there will be freedom of press. So the press can criticize what we are doing. Our security people will no longer be for harassment. Police will not harass anybody. They will be your care. Because we are going to recruit, we are going to train those on how to do policing. We are going to equip them. We are going to recruit more trained people. So police will be a friend, not an enemy. They will do the work of policing. We will not add all these problems we have. We will apologize to all those who are victims of police brutality. All those who have suffered the hands of government. We will apologize to them. We will make sure that it never happens again. Nigeria will be a peaceful country. We will ensure that we love each other. This is the beginning of youth and women development. We can no longer have old people wasting our time. That's why it is people born after independence. Those before independence, it is time for them to go and rest. So we can build our country. That is what we want to do. Please go out on the 25th. Look for LP. Vote there, stay there until they can be vote. You have all it takes. Once we win the election, that is the beginning of a new Nigeria. It's the beginning of a new now. Watch what, when we win, we will not tell you. You will bring out your note and you see what development is. It will be, we are not going to change everything overnight. But be assured, you will see it physically, you will measure it, you will see the deliverable. Everybody will experience it. Because I assure you, what we will do here, nobody will believe it. Hold those responsible. Hold those responsible for a new Nigeria. Hold those for secure Nigeria. Hold those for Nigeria that is productive. Mama, papa. Mama, papa. You will care for mama. You will care for papa. You will care for Sikin. Thank you and God bless.
This is ODUA TV Watch. My name remains Oluwabukunmi Festus, and don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share, so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.